Hello everyone, welcome to Golper Goina's YouTube channel. I am back after a very long time in YouTube, so please consider subscribing to this channel. And today's video is all about silver replica chain pendants. Many of you requests that Disha please show us chain pendants in our Facebook lives, of course. But I thought of making a YouTube video solely on chain pendants, and you all will be getting a 5% flat discount on whatever you book from the YouTube video. Okay, this offer is not applicable if you book the same products from our Facebook lives. This is only applicable if you book the products from our YouTube video. Flat 5% discount on whatever price I am showcasing. The booking process is that you have to take a screenshot of the product that you like and send it to our WhatsApp booking number, which I'll just put somewhere over here on the screen, and it will also be available on the description box. You just take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp booking number. Once we receive the screenshots, we are going to confirm the products, send us your name and address, and the product will be shipped to your doorstep. And please do remember that the shipping charge is extra. So starting off with today's video, I'll be starting off with the piece that I'm wearing currently. So this is the piece. Like you can see, I'm going to open all the pieces and then give you a close-up view of everything. First product of today's live, beautiful chain pendant in grey color. Just see the pendant. This is going to be the chain. And see this small pair of earrings. The earring is in this elephant motif. Price is 1090 minus 5%. Moving on to the next design. Next design that I'm going to showcase has got a beautiful white and goldenish tinge. It's a very nice piece, very beautiful combination for all the white and gold lovers. This is the piece. Okay, price for this one is 1320. 1320 minus 5% is going to be today's price. Okay, if you like it, then please take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp booking number. This is going to be the look. 1320 minus 5% only for the people who are going to book these pieces from the YouTube video. This is going to be the look. Have a close look at the earring. Okay, very pretty. If you're looking for something in dual tone, then this would be the perfect one for you. The next piece which I'll be showing is in a chain pendant pattern. Okay, chain pendant but in a tie chain format. Okay, chain pendant but in a tie chain format. Have a look. This is very gorgeous. See, very gorgeous piece. This is the entire pendant with earrings. The entire pendant with earrings. This is in a beautiful blush pink shade. See the polishing. The polishing right here is an Apala finish. Okay, it's in silver with gold. 1680 is the price. You will get a 5% discount on the price that I am quoting. Okay, so once you wear it, this is going to be the look. Okay, once you wear it, this is going to be the look, and this is the earpiece. 1680 is the price. Please take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp booking number right here. And if you're purchasing from today's YouTube video, then you will get a flat 5% discount. The next piece that I'm going to showcase is again a beautiful piece in dual tone. Very pretty. If you are somebody who likes sleek designs, then this is going to be the perfect one for you. This is the piece. 1080 is the price. This is a lovely design. Have a look. Very pretty. It's in peacock motif, and this is going to be the earpiece. It's in stud pattern, and this is not a very long chain pendant. This has got a very medium length, I would say. The next is a Durga design. Okay, this is a peacock design in silver and gold dual tone. This is going to be the earring. This is very pretty, dainty and elegant. 1080 is the price. If you book from today's video, then you will get a flat 5% discount. I will try to keep the video as short as possible because I completely understand that watching the live is not a practical option for everybody. Okay, hence I thought of making a YouTube video. See the next piece. Durga Puja is approaching, hence Durga Puja design. 780 for the full set. This is again a very sleek and dainty pattern, not very over the top. Very simple, sleek and elegant. 780 is the price. You have to take a screenshot of the product that you like and send it to our WhatsApp booking number. Okay, the discount is only available if you book from our YouTube video. This is going to be the look. 780 is the price. Okay. Now the next pieces that I'm going to showcase are going to have multiple color options. Okay, so till now whatever I have shown was in single color. Now on, whatever I'll be showing has got color options. Okay, let's move on to a very gorgeous set. I'll show you two color options in it. Okay, beautiful piece. This is amazing. You are going to get two colors. One is in a lime green shade, another is in a purplish shade. Both are very gorgeous. Price is only and only 1630. See the piece. If you're looking for something very, very different, stylish and gorgeous, I feel this would be the perfect one for you. Beautiful craftsmanship. Just look at the glass stone. It's completely transparent. Look at the gold balls and look at this cut work design. Amazing piece. This is the solid chain right at the side, and you will also get some gold motifs over here. And see these balls, a combination of silver and gold. And the main attraction of this set is its earpiece, because it has got a beautiful detailing of Pachikundan. Okay, Ahmedabadi Pachikundan. Have a look. Beautiful detailing of Ahmedabadi Pachikundan. Beautiful piece. You can definitely go for this one if you are wanting to go for a heavy or something very striking and gorgeous. This is the piece. Price for this one is 1630. Trust me, this is a beautiful piece considering the price point. This is the first color option, which is in lime green. I've got another color which is in a beautiful shade of purple. This you might call a lilac shade. Just see the shine, the texture and the quality of the piece. And along with the lilac, you get the earring which is completely white in color. Beautiful set. 1630 is the price for both of them. Please take a screenshot and send it to the WhatsApp booking number that is given over here. Moving on to the next set. Okay, moving on to the next set. Again, a beautiful design which has got multiple color options. I have got 3 color options for it, and it comes along with a beautiful pair of earrings. People who are fond of stone jewelry, you are really going to like it. This is very sleek, colorful, dainty, as well as what I would say, very peppy. Okay, see the color combination. This is the pendant. This is going to be the pendant. The first combination is in a very grayish white. This is not a proper white. I would call it moon white. Okay, I would call it moon white with blush pink. See the stone, see the pendant, and this is going to be your chain. Pink Mona Lisa bead along with silver beads, then blue and pink stone. The same combination. This is the entire necklace. I'll show you the earring as well as the color options. See. Many of you are specifically fond of long pieces, hence making a dedicated YouTube video on only the long pieces. See the earpiece. Okay, it is a fish hook pattern. Okay, it is a fish hook pattern. This is the look. Okay, wear it to your work. Okay, wear it to your work, wear it to your college, wear it to where you teach, wear it to your corporate events. It's going to look very dainty, classy, and this is obviously a very light piece, so you can definitely mix and match. Even if you are wanting to just wear the earrings, that is also possible. Price is 1080 for this one. This is the first color option. Okay, in moon white. First color option, moon white with pink. Now I'll be showing you the other colors. The second color is in a combination of midnight blue with white, and there is also some pink right here. Okay, see this one, you will get these turquoise beads right here. This is the piece. Earring is this, moon white. Earring is in moon white. See, 1080 is the price. You have to take a screenshot of the product that you like and send it to our WhatsApp booking number. And this is the last color. Last color has got a deep purple earring. This is a very grayish purple, deep grayish purple. Okay, see the color scheme. This specifically is something for all my office going ladies. Okay, you can definitely wear this to events as well. If you have some small puja at home, or if you have a small event to attend, you can definitely wear it. But there are many people who tell me that Disha, we want something which we can wear to our work. This is specifically for them. Okay, this is specifically for them. Now, the next piece which I'll show is a beautiful one. And the next one which I'll be showing does not come with a pair of earrings. Okay, it does not come with a pair of earrings because the chain pendant in itself is so gorgeous and beautiful. And the colors, I think I've got 4 colors in it. I'll show them to you one by one. All the colors are very bright and peppy. I think there is only one color which is a little muted and subtle. Otherwise, the other colors are very bright, peppy and gorgeous. So have a look at this piece. This is a fusion dual tone piece. Price is 840 minus 5%. Just see the piece, the craftsmanship and the quality. This is the piece. Solid brass base on which some gold motif work has been done. Here is a Mona Lisa over which an elephant motif is given. This is glass work. Okay, this is glass work, and this is the dholki motif chain that you will get along with it. This doesn't come with a pair of earrings. So if you want to wear a pair of earrings, you have to wear something from your personal collection, or you can take something from me separately. Okay, so this is the first color in a combination of pink with orange. You all know that pink with orange is a very hit combination. It can never go wrong basically. So this is going to be the total length. Now I'll be showing you the color options. Most of the colors are very bright. The next one is green and red. This is the second one. The third one is in a combination of green and navy. See, there are 4 color options in total, and the most subtle combination is green with pink. Okay, green with pink. If you're looking for something subtle, go for this one, the last color, green with pink. See, all these have green as common, but the one that I'm wearing has got pink over here. But the design is same for all 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 color options are there. Price is 840 minus 5%. This is a lovely piece and looks very pretty once you wear it. And this is something which is going to go both with your cotton as well as your silk sarees. This is such a design. Ethnic के साथ पहनिए या फिर cottons के साथ पहनिए. It's going to look very pretty. Okay. Now the next one that I'll be showing you is going to be a hand painted chain pendant. Okay, hand painted chain pendant without any earrings again. ठीक है, without any earrings. Again, price is going to be $7.99 and there are 4 color options in total. Very pretty design without earrings. See, the first one that I'm showcasing is in pink color. You will get hints of orange, lemon and green. It's basically a floral motif. Have a close look. This is the pendant and just see the design on the chain. Very intricately done. Very intricately done. This is the piece. Price is $7.99. The chain has got a very adjustable back. Pura adjustable hai, dekh lijiye. So anybody can definitely adjust the length and wear it as per her preferred length. Okay, I'll keep the length at its maximum and show you. If you want to shorten the length a little bit, that would be possible. So I'm wearing the pink color. Now I'm going to show you the color options. The next one is in a very beautiful leaf green shade. The chain design is going to be the same for all of them. $7.99 is the price. This is a leaf green. Have a look. This is a leaf green. This is a dark green. Both are greens, but please look at the shades. ठीक है? Please be careful while choosing the shades. And the last color is in blue. So how many colors? 1, 2, 3 and 4. See the color. The blue one looks very bright and gorgeous. It really stands out. So if you're looking for something very bright, you can go for the blue one. If you want something subtle, then you can go for this green or the pink that I'm wearing. If you want something in the middle, you please go for the green one. Okay, price is $7.99 minus 5% off for all the people who are going to book from our YouTube video. Okay, now the next one. The next one is a gorgeous piece. Trust me when I say gorgeous, because it is a chain pendant which has got a real doublet stone. You all know that real doublet is something which is very premium and luxe. So this is that sort of a piece. Very subtle, very dainty, but very high quality. Okay, this is the piece. Price is $11.20 without earrings. $11.20 because it has got real doublet. Okay, 2 color options again. 1120 minus 5%. This is the piece. You can see that a stone is missing over here, but please don't worry. Whenever we are shipping your products, everything is going to be checked thoroughly. We are going to put back the stone and then only send it to you. See the quality of the doublet. Cracked doublet, amazing finishing, beautiful quality. And this is the crystal. Again, people who are fond of subtle and dainty pieces, just go for it. 1120 is the price. You will get 2 color options in it. Okay, this is the piece. Perfect for workwear purpose. Perfect for workwear purpose. Just throw on a kurta or just wear a basic sari, wear this and go to your office. The next color is even more beautiful. Just see the color combination. If you're looking for something bright, then I would say go for this one. Yellow doublet, blue crystals with red and green stonework. Amazing piece. 1120 is the price. This is going to be the look. Please take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp booking number, which is given right on the screen. Okay, moving on to the next piece of today's video. It is a very dainty design. Okay, very reasonably priced, very dainty design. It's chain pendant in dual tone, of course, but the base is in solid silver. Okay, it's an antique silver replica, but it has got some hints of gold. Price is going to be $470. I have got 4 color options in total. Very simple and dainty, but looks very stylish. This is going to be your pendant, and this is a very simple chain that you will get along with it. Okay, only the color over here is going to change. Everything else is going to remain the same. Okay, 470 minus 5% is going to be the price. First color is black. I have got 4 color options in total. You will get an adjustable chain. Okay, I'm so sorry, there are 3 color options actually and 4 pieces. I've got a yellow color where there's double pieces, so yellow can be given to 2 people. ठीक है? So that's why I told 4. I'm so sorry for that, my bad. This is the piece. So yellow color can be given to 2 people. Fine, this is the next color, yellow, and this is the last color in teal blue. Black, yellow, teal blue. 470 is the price. 470 minus 5% discount if you book from our YouTube video. Okay, moving on to the next design. The next design is a set, very reasonably priced, along with some color options. I think I can show you 4 color options in this. Again, if you want something not very subtle, neither too heavy, if you want something in the middle, then the next one is going to be the perfect one for you. The video is already 20 minutes long, so I'll just try to wind it up as quickly as possible. See the next one. Price is only and only 650. This is something which will not at all be heavy on your pocket, extremely light on your pocket, but very stylish and good quality. 650 is the price. 650 is the price. This is the piece. Just have a look. Very intricately made piece, but the price is very reasonable because of course it's a small piece. Just look at the Mona Lisa stone. The Mona Lisa stone has been set from the back, and here is the pendant. You will get some white stone work. Here is a jhumka, and this is going to be the chain. Fine, I'll show you the earpiece for this one as well. Okay, this is the length. Very simple, sleek and dainty piece. This is the earpiece. It's a jhumka. Very cute. 650 minus 5%. This is the first color. Moving on to the second color. See this one. Second color is in yellow. Not a very bright sunshine yellow. It is more of a turmeric yellow, I would say. A light shade of turmeric yellow. Okay, this is the piece and this is the earring. 650 minus 5%. The next shade is in a combination of purple with green and magenta. This is a very unique shade. See, very unique shade. 650 minus 5% is going to be the price. All of them has got the Mona Lisa set from the back. Okay, third color, and the fourth color is all of your favorite maroon. See, maroon with magenta and white. Maroon with magenta and white, along with a beautiful pair of jhumka. Okay, price is 650 minus 5%. Price is 650 minus 5%. Moving on to the next design. Okay, so the next piece that I am going to showcase is in dual tone, and it has got 2 colors. Okay, it has got 2 colors. See, the first one is in black with earrings. Price is 780. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, the earring just fell off. See this one, 780. This is color number 1 in black. Okay, this is color number 1 in black. This is color number 1 in black. This would be the length. This is the earring. Okay, color number 1 in black, 780 minus 5%. This second color which I have got is in green. but I do not have any pair of earrings with the green color. So the price for the green one is going to be 650 minus 5%. This does not come with a pair of earring, so the price is 650 minus 5%. Please take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp booking number, which is right here. Okay, dual tone lovers, just go for this one. Dual tone lovers, just go for this one. Okay, so yeah, I think I have completed showing everything in today's video. All the prices and everything has been told in the video itself. Those who are booking today from our YouTube video, you all will get a 5% discount on the price that I have quoted. All the price that I have quoted are without the discounts. The discount will be added additionally, and please do remember that the shipping charge is always extra. It varies from 50 to 100 or maximum 120 rupees all over India. We also ship worldwide, and if you're somebody who is living outside India, we can discuss the shipping charge over WhatsApp. Please do text us, and please comment and subscribe to our channel. Have a very good day and see you all super soon.